Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we are going to do a spotlight on the Ooni Pro Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. You'll notice this unit has Ooni spelled with a U, but the company is now branding it by spelling it with an O instead. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this unit, let you know our thoughts about what's good, some stuff to keep in mind, and show the Ooni in action. In the box, you'll find 4 baking stones and all the other necessary pieces to assemble the pizza oven. Assembly is fairly simple as there aren't too many parts and the baking stones fit easily into place. By default, the unit comes with the wood and charcoal burning tray that you'll see here, but you do have the option to add the Ooni Pro pellet burner or the Ooni Pro gas burner. We did get the pellet burner attachment, but it did not arrive in time for this unboxing. We did get a few Ooni accessories as well, including an Ooni classic pizza peel and some cast iron sizzler pans to cook some meat and vegetables on. To fire up the pizza oven, we placed a few wood chunks and some lit charcoal on the burning tray, covered it, and we were good to go. One of the main selling points of the Ooni Pro Pizza Oven is its ability to get really hot. Ooni advertises that it can achieve temperatures over 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. In our experience, it delivered on that promise. There were 2 main items that we wanted to test on the Ooni Pro, steak and pizza. We were intrigued by the idea of getting a high enough heat to create a good sear on a steak, so we tested it out. Once the Ooni Pro is up and running, you only need to give it a couple minutes on each side to get an awesome sear on your steak. One thing we found with the Ooni Pro after testing it is if you are using the pellet burner attachment, you need to keep a close eye on those pellets as it burns through them quickly. It's not an issue if you're doing a quick cook, but if you're cooking for a lot of people, then it's something to keep in mind. Well, as for pizzas, the Ooni Pro delivers. It's quick and easy to get a good wood fire taste. If you're looking for an oven or grill that specializes in pizzas, the Ooni Pro is a good buy.